In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add breadcrumbs using Elementor, a popular WordPress page builder. Breadcrumbs are an essential navigational aid. They offer visitors a way to seamlessly trace their steps back through a site, enhancing usability and improving the user experience, which can also contribute to better SEO. So, let's walk through the steps needed to add this helpful feature to your website. First things first, you'll need to install and activate the plugin called Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor. This is a versatile plugin that, among other features, provides the breadcrumbs functionality to Elementor. To get started, head to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side menu, hover over Plugins and then click on Add New. In the search bar on the right, type Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor. Once you see the plugin, click on the Install Now button followed by Activate to make it active on your site. This plugin is acclaimed for its user-friendly widgets, significantly broadening Elementor's already impressive capabilities. Once the plugin is activated, it's time to integrate breadcrumbs into your page. Open the page where you want these breadcrumbs using the Elementor editor. You can do this by clicking Edit with Elementor that typically appears on the page or post you wish to modify. Once you're in the Elementor editor, you'll see a panel on the left that houses various widgets, which are essentially the building blocks of your pages. Now, scroll down or search to find Ultimate Add-ons in the widget panel. The breadcrumbs widget is part of this collection. Click on the widget title, hold down, and drag it over to your page layout. Place it exactly where you want your breadcrumbs to appear, typically at the top of your page, just below the header. This straightforward action allows you to visually organize content paths for your users effectively. The magic of the breadcrumbs feature is that it effortlessly reflects your site's hierarchy. It automatically adapts to the structure of the page or post you're working on, provided that structure is properly configured within WordPress. This means as you build or modify pages with Elementor, the breadcrumbs will adjust, displaying a navigational path that reflects each user's journey through your site's content. There you have it, a simple yet powerful way to enhance your website's navigation using Elementor and the Ultimate Add-ons. Not only does this improve the user experience, but it can also make your site more visible to search engines, potentially boosting your site traffic. Keep experimenting with Elementor and its add-ons, as they offer endless opportunities to refine your website's design and functionality. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you make your site more user-friendly.